Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services, and today I'd like to talk about dark sides of all the connectors, and specifically Apple's connectors. What I have discovered is that, I don't know if you can see, I've cleaned it out a little bit, but on the Lightning connector from Apple, you can see some darkness. Let's see if I could get my camera to focus on it. Come on, there. Those black spots are the power connectors. They were black on both sides. I cleaned it out so I could charge my phone. What happened was, it took me a while to figure out, all of my connectors suddenly developed this black connections. You know, they're supposed to be gold and they're black. And what I found is my baby was taking them into the mouth. They're only 5 volts, so it wasn't hurting her, but when we put it back in the phone, they were arcing inside and basically ate right through the conductor. That got me thinking. This connection, Apple's connection, has all of the power connections exposed. So you take this into the mouth, you're going to get a good jolt. And then I thought the older connectors were much more hidden. You know, you take into the mouth, probably won't get electrocuted. And then I thought, well, what about all the other connections? And I found that this one would be one of the safest ones because it has the minus on the outside, it has the plus on the inside, and it has the center as the carrier, the type carrier. Same. Or actually no, this one has the center as the plus and minus on the outside, but this one here has the minus on the outside, the plus on the inside, and the type carrier on the center. So center really carries no energy. I always thought, why are the manufacturers so particular about placing these connections such a way? Well, if you take this into your mouth, you won't get electrocuted. More so than I thought, there are some connectors like this type that have the center really deep inside. So even if you wet it with your saliva, you won't get electrocuted. And this is done so that the babies don't get killed. Or at least, you know, don't get bad shock. So, just wanted to kind of bring this point across that these connections, these two, are the worst as far as babies go. All of the contacts are exposed, completely exposed. I actually licked this one, and you get a good jolt if you lick it. Hopefully this helps somebody answer some questions. If you have the black oxidation on your Lightning connector, might be because somebody had been sucking on it. Thank you.